everyone from 12 Tomatoes. Today we are making picnic loaf. This is such a perfect recipe for a little outing, for a little picnic, maybe a little road trip. We love a sandwich moment. Come and join me. Let's do it.
Okay, so first thing you want to do is make my Uncle Mike's amazing sub sauce. We're going to blend up some tomatoes with some whole garlic cloves, some dried oregano, some dried basil, some red wine vinegar, and a little olive oil. Finish that off with some salt, and then we're gonna blend it until it's smooth. This sauce is so good you could literally just drink it. Next, we're going to slice the bread open. We're gonna scoop out some of that excess bread. It just takes up too much space, and we wanna fill this sandwich. Then we're gonna spread the sauce on both sides nice and even, get it all juicy, and then we are going to start the layering process. So we're gonna take half of our roast beef and we are gonna layer that first, followed by the mozzarella, then the basil, then the salami, then the pepperoncini, then the dressed lettuce, then the turkey, and then the red onion. And then we're gonna do the whole thing over again. Repeat each step one more time. I know this sandwich is going to get very big. Feel free to give it a nice squeeze so that all the layers will stay nice and flat while you're putting them on top. Spread all those toppings all over the sandwich. We're gonna top it with that top half of the bread, wrap it really nice and tight, and take it on our next picnic.
12 Tomatoes.